In this video, I'll show you how to pre-order Grand Theft Auto 6 on EB Games, and it's very simple. All you have to do is go to the EB Games website, as you see up here, and then you want to find the game that you're trying to pre-order. So in this case, go to PS5 for example, and then this one right here, Silent Hill. Let's pretend that this is Grand Theft Auto. So select this, and all you want to do is go add the game to your cart, and it's going to deliver to your home. It's going to tell you exactly when it's going to ship to, so that's really cool. So just add it to your cart, and then you'll go to your cart after. So once you have it there, you can choose if you want gameplay guarantee, which shows that if there's any issues with your game, like physical damage to your game, at least you can get a replacement. So I'll add that, sure, why not? And then I'll go to the checkout. So go to checkout, and then it's going to prompt you to give all your information here, and especially your address. So just give some information. So in this case, robotic capybara, and then your phone number is going to be whatever phone number it is. You can give a address line. So in this case, I'll give something like 300 Apple Street West, and then postal code. Let's give it M2P is 9M1. Then you could put your city, you could put something like Winnipeg, and then province, let's go Alberta, then go to the shipping options. Now that you have all your information here, hit save anyway, and now you're going to select your information. So either you can collect it in the store, or you can do a home delivery. You can choose either express or standard depending on how much you want to pay. So in this case, I'll just do express. Now you go to the payment options, and from here, once it loads, all you have to do is give it your payment information. So in this case, I'll select Visa right here, and then you'll just give your information here. So the expiration date, you'll give your CVV, and then you'll give your card information and your name. So just give it your name, robotic capybara, and then I'll just give some digits, just like that, and then hit review your order. Now it's going to go forward. It's going to let you confirm your order, so just accept the terms and agreements and then hit confirm order. Now I gave dummy information on all of this, so it won't really go through, but that is the method. So say if you had a valid information on your card, then it's going to go through no problem. But just for the video purpose, just to show you how to pre-order Grand Theft Auto when it does come out, that's how you do it. And yeah, that's basically it. All you have to do is confirm your order, and then it should arrive on that date that it tells you.